Genetically modified food dangers mount. FDA asleep at the safety switch. As usual, it seems there is a conspiracy against health. In the interest of free enterprise and under the shadow of technological development, greedy companies are flooding markets with food products that are injurious to health. Meat and dairy products are treated with antibiotics and hormones. Processed foods contain preservative chemicals, sugar and salt that can damage your arteries and brain. Fast foods, pops, cocktails, juice blends and energy drinks largely contribute to weight gain, diabetes, cancer, cardiovascular diseases. All these foods are extremely injurious to health. Now there is a new kid in America. Genetically modified GM food. Now 88% of all corn produced in USA is genetically modified. 93% of all soybeans are genetically modified as well. Here is the problem. Recent clinical studies on lab animals rats showed that GM corn dramatically increased risk of tumor, immune system disorders, infertility, birth defects, compromised liver and kidney functions, and so on. In the wake of this study, Russia, China, European countries have all stopped importing corn and soybeans from USA. Most nations have protections in place. Even China, not exactly known for its food safety, requires labels on their GM food and GM food products, giving its consumers a freedom we don't have in the United States. The freedom to make informed decisions about what we eat. We have no idea what GM foods would do to our body. Monsanto, DuPont and other agribusiness giants make millions of genetically modified crops. They would much rather you just eat their food and stay out of their business. On the other hand, U.S. health officials are either refusing or silent about labeling GM products that are being sold in the market. Moreover, genetically modified fish is about to hit the market. Also pretty soon GM fruits and vegetables may be going to hit market as well. As a result, food producers who use GM ingredients are not required to list GM sources on product packaging. Likewise, grocers don't have to label bins of GM fruits or vegetables. This creates more serious health problems. For instance, if you eat any processed foods, or if you eat in restaurants, then you consume GM ingredients. And by restaurants we don't mean just fast foods. We mean everything, from McDonald's to four-star steakhouses. If U.S. health officials refuse to label GM foods and GM food products, then who knows? There may be an epidemic of cancer, tumors, liver and kidney failures, and other chronic ailments in USA, as well as in countries who import USA products. The only way you can save yourself from these deadly health dangers is by making a switch to organic products, buying foods from farmers market or from small farmers. Genetically modified products are larger and shiny. Avoid such products. Grow your own foods, if possible. Buy grass-fed beef and so on. For sources of grass-fed beef visit http://alternativenaturalremedies.com. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video should not be construed as personal medical advice or instruction. You are advised to seek help from healthcare professionals for any matter concerning your health and well-being. Source: HSI Alert. October 2012. Jenny Thompson, Director of Health Science Institute. House Calls. October 2012. Dr. Mark Stingler,